Imagine a world right beneath you, where the laws of physics seem to bend. Pressure here can crush a submarine like a tin can. Temperatures drop close to absolute zero, and creatures look like they've come straight out of a sci-fi horror novel. Welcome, seekers of mysteries. Today we're diving into a realm where fewer people have ventured than on the moon. But be careful, something lurking in the depths might already be watching you. Are you ready? Then hold your breath. Earth is 71% covered by water, yet we know more about the moon's surface than about the ocean floor. Why? First, pressure. At a depth of 10,000 meters, 32,800 feet, pressure exceeds 1,000 atmospheres, equivalent to 1,000 tons per square meter. Anything man-made would be crushed instantly. Second, technology limitations. Unlike space, radio waves cannot travel through water. This means that satellites, which help us map distant galaxies, are useless in deep-sea exploration. But what if this very limitation is hiding something from us? Here's the paradox. Despite these extreme conditions, life thrives in the deep. Deep-sea fish and invertebrates lack rigid bones, otherwise they'd be crushed. Their bodies contain gelatinous tissues that resist pressure. If you were to bring one to the surface, it would literally melt into a puddle. Many of these creatures don't have eyes. Instead, they rely on pressure sensors and ultra-sensitive receptors, allowing them to see movements in water and even detect the electrical impulses of prey. That's why we may not see them, but they definitely see us. In 1977, scientists detected a sound later named bloop. It was louder than the call of a blue whale and lasted a full 7 minutes. The official theory? A glacier collapse. But there are several inconsistencies. 1. The sound was too powerful. Even the largest glaciers don't produce such deep, structured frequencies. 2. It had an organized pattern. Icebergs produce chaotic noises, but bloop sounded like it came from a living creature. The strangest part? Bloop was detected again in 2023, but this time, no source was found. What was it really? The answer remains unknown. The ocean has dead zones, areas where there's no oxygen. Logic says nothing can survive there, but somehow life exists. These environments are home to organisms that don't need oxygen at all. Instead, they generate energy by breaking down toxic chemicals, hydrogen sulfide, methane, even poisonous metals. This is possible through chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria use chemical reactions instead of sunlight to sustain life. But what if such life forms exist beyond Earth? Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's Enceladus are covered in ice, but beneath lie vast oceans. If life can survive on Earth without sunlight, could similar creatures already be thriving on these distant moons? In 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste descended into the Mariana Trench. Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh reported seeing huge silhouettes moving in the distance, but their cameras captured nothing. There are 3 possible theories. 1. Undiscovered giant squid species. We know that Architeuthis, the giant squid, can grow up to 18 meters, 59 feet. Perhaps larger ones exist. 2. Deep-sea sharks. Some speculate about the survival of Megalodon, a prehistoric shark that reached 30 meters, 98 feet, in length. 3. Giant deep-sea fish. Some deep-sea fish can inflate their bodies up to 10 times their normal size. Could they have seen something real? Quite possibly. The deeper you go, the stranger the life forms become. The blobfish is almost entirely made of gelatinous tissue, which keeps it from being crushed under pressure. The vampire squid turns itself inside out and releases a bioluminescent cloud to confuse predators. The Dumbo octopus uses ear-like fins to glide effortlessly through the water. Through natural selection, only the best adapted survive. If predators track movement, best defense is to stay still. If light attracts prey, it's best to glow in the dark. If enemies respond to body shape, better to change your shape. That's why some of the world's strangest creatures exist in the deep. In 2018, scientists discovered an underwater volcano spewing blue lava. Its temperature, 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit. Thermophilic bacteria thrive in this environment. Their cells contain proteins that withstand extreme heat, allowing them to use thermal energy as a power source. Studying these bacteria could unlock the secrets of early life on Earth, and even help us understand survival on other planets. The most terrifying fact? Every plastic bottle, every microscopic piece of waste never disappears. At 6,000 meters, 19,700 feet below the surface, scientists have found microorganisms that are incorporating plastic into their biology. This means that new forms of life are already evolving, adapting to our pollution. What will happen in 50 or 100 years? Could they one day crawl onto land and replace us? We often think of the ocean as just water, but in reality, it breathes, evolves, and holds secrets older than the dinosaurs. Who knows what else is waiting in the depths? Want to find out what's really hidden in the Bermuda Triangle, or how Earth's deep-sea heartbeat sounds? Then hit that notification bell. And don't forget to like this video so YouTube and the ocean know that we are not afraid to look into the abyss. Until the next dive.